Here is the dishwasher now working.
Yeah, basically. Okay, it's priming now.
Where's the shower head at? It's in there?
Yeah.
Alright, so basically this little excess piece was all the way in the back and it was preventing the top drawer from closing all the way, which then prevents this from closing all the way because basically this wasn't going all the way, it was just sitting this way because it wasn't going in and engaging like that.
Right.
So all it did was this. So yep. And
It's
then closes in and now you
awesome.
can work.
Thank you guys.